So here we have the new shape Nissan Micra on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. Approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. This car's also got a reversing camera, which I'll show you when we're inside the car. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. These seats are as good as new, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. You can see the total miles for this car are 10,384. The information that's displayed above that, which is currently a digital readout for the speedometer, with fuel economy information underneath, can all be changed using buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel just here. We've also got stereo controls on that side. And then on the right-hand side, we have both cruise control and speed limiter, as well as the ability to end and answer phone calls. We've also got voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial any one of your contacts list, and it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is all, of course, once you've paired up your phone, which is done on the touchscreen in the center just here. Before we come back to the phone, I want to talk about radio. You can see we have DAB digital radio. This car's got AM and FM as well. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. There's media connections for auxiliary input, Bluetooth audio as well, and there's a USB input. If you connect up a USB device, that will appear as an option on top of what you've just seen there. This car's also got, as I mentioned, a reversing camera. So you can see that's a full color camera with guidelines showing you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image that you see behind you. We've also got satellite navigation accessed up here. There's a full video showing that working on our website. Below that, we've got the air conditioning or the climate control. You can set the temperature with this dial, fan speed with this one, hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or if you hit that one, the car will automatically maintain 20 degrees by taking control of the fan speed itself. You can override that at any point in time you wish to by simply readjusting the fan speeds to your liking. That button will recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on, of course, the temperature that you've set the car at. Below that, we have a 12-volt charging socket, the USB and auxiliary inputs, a 5-speed manual gearbox, and then the car is started with this button. You simply need to make sure that the key for the car is somewhere in the car, so in your bag or pocket. Hit that button to start the engine, same button again to stop it. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.